Welcome to a Blackboard Learning video by Texas A&M University, Kingsville. Today we'll be going over AI discussions, journals, and assignments, how they're useful, how to use them, and the requirements. My name's Dominic, and I'll be your guide for this video. We'll classify these three items as writing assessments. Writing assessments can be difficult to integrate into your course, but by using AI, you can create prompt templates easily, allowing for you to use these items creatively. These tools also allow for full customization after generating, meaning you can edit all prompts and assessments. Finally, it's easy to set up and use, making it efficient for creating new assessments. There are no requirements to create an AI writing assessment. However, it's recommended to have a course overview, an informational document, or a text description. This will help the AI in generating accurate prompts. Now let's learn how to use them. Open your Blackboard course. Make sure you know where your additional information is stored. In this example, I'll be using a table of contents for my required book to help with accurate information. Once you're ready, navigate to where you would like to insert one of these writing assessments. Click on the plus icon, then select Create. Choose the type of assessment you would like to create. Discussions, journals, and assignments all have the same methods for using their AI. For this example, I'll create a discussion. Once you've created your assessment, you can choose to name it. Alternatively, let the AI generate a name for you later. In the top right, click on the Auto Generate button. In this new menu, we'll start a description. Enter any additional information that the AI could use to help informing prompts. Since I'll be using my table of contents, I'll type that I only want Chapter 1. If you have additional resources, press on Select Course Items, then navigate to where those items are located. Next, we have the designated cognitive level. The options here are Apply, Analyze, Evaluate, and Create. Let's break this down more by using Bloom's Taxonomy. Bloom's Taxonomy shows the levels like this. Think of the layers of this pyramid as difficulty, and the higher up the pyramid we go, the more difficult these levels become. Blackboard starts at Apply. For application questions, the goal is to have students use their information in new situations. Next, we go to Analyze. For analyzation questions, students should be able to draw connections between the information they've gained, such as through compare and contrast or experimenting. Third is Evaluate. For evaluate questions, students should be able to provide supporting evidence to support claims, oppositions, and similar aspects. Finally, in what can be considered the hardest level, we have Create. Create questions are meant to push students to use all their knowledge on a subject or task in order to create their own ideas or work. Now that we understand these levels, I'll choose the Inspire Me option, which will generate 3 random level prompts. Next on the list is Complexity. This is also similar to a difficulty bar. Higher complexities will result in more complicated prompt wording and require more of students, while lower complexities are more straightforward. I'll choose a middle complexity. This next checkbox called Generate Title will simply generate a title for your assessment. This will remove any previous name you might have put when creating the assessment. Advanced Options has the language output. When you're ready, press Generate. It may take a few moments to complete. Once generated, read through each prompt. If something is slightly off that you'd want to change, don't worry. We can edit all text after adding it. If none of the generations appeal to you, feel free to press Generate again. Once you've found one that you like, select it, then press Add in the bottom right. Back in the assessment screen, you can click on the text to edit. Here, I'll make a few changes to my liking. Remember to change the settings of the assessment to match whatever you'd like. You've now learned how to create AI-generated discussions, journals, and assignments in Blackboard Ultra. We covered their benefits, recommended requirements, and a step-by-step guide on how to generate, customize, and implement AI writing assessments into your course. AI tools make it easier to create structured and engaging prompts, saving time while maintaining full control over customization. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!